everybody, we're going to be making empanadas today, Colombian style. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be showing you the whole process, the ingredients needed that you can get in your local grocery store, and follow me through this journey. So what I would recommend is washing the potatoes. You don't need to remove the skin. Put the water to a boil, add about a tablespoon of salt, or a teaspoon of salt, and just let it boil until the potato texture is soft when you stick a sharp knife into it. You're gonna use about 2 of these. You don't really use the leaves, you pretty much just use the white part. And then you can just chop it more fine. The white onion, we're just gonna chop it finely. What you're going to do is cut it in half, and you're going to remove the seeds. Get in the slices. And then finish it off by just chopping it up nice. Is fry the leeks. And then we're going to add the tomato. We're just going to mix it in. So now we're gonna add the meat. So I'm just gonna add it to the frying pan, cook it for a bit, and then we're gonna add it to the sazon that we made. So now we're gonna add the potato, and we're gonna mush it into the meat, and right before we add the sazon. The potato has to be hot, so when you're cooking the potato, make sure that when it's done cooking to put it on low heat so it remains hot, because you need to do this process with a hot potato or else it's gonna harden. Now you're gonna be adding the sazon to everything, and you're going to start mixing everything thoroughly. Now we're going to add 2 cups of flour of the corn maize. So now we're just going to add a little bit of salt to your liking. Alright, so now that you've added the salt to your liking, you're going to add water and mix. And you're going to add water until the flour is fully saturated and you're able to form a nice ball. And make sure that everything is saturated. So now we have the batter, or the dough. You kind of want a texture a little bit softer than Play-Doh. Something that's manageable, and you know it's ready when you're able to easily mold it, and you can roll it around in the bowl, and none of the dough will get stuck to the sides. That's when you know you have you have enough water. And you can start, now we can start rolling the balls and start doing the filling. So we'll form a ball with the dough, so probably around the size of your palm. And then we're going to do a little concoction of water and oil. and this is just so the dough doesn't stick. We'll put that down. We'll pull this over. You can use a roller. My preference is a cutting board, and I just push down on it. You get this form. So now that it's flattened, we'll take this off, and we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of the filling. Or it just depends on how big the ball of dough you make. Now you'll bring this over. You'll form around the filling to get the form. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut as close as you can to that to preserve the dough so you can make more out of it. Now you have your empanada ready to fry. So before you start frying, what you're gonna do is you're gonna heat up the oil at high heat. Then you're gonna get a little ball of dough, drop it in. As soon as it rises to the top, you know the temperature is right, and then you can lower it to about 6. Once the oil is all set, you can just drop the arepas in, the empanadas in. Just careful that you don't spill anything. Then you're all set. What you're gonna do is just after about a minute or so, you're gonna rotate them so they cook evenly. So we just finished with the empanadas. You can see that we just finished frying them. So I'm gonna break it open. I'm gonna show you the inside. You can see that the filling and everything came out delicious. You can hear that it's still crunchy on the outside. And what I would recommend, so I guess when eating it, I recommend using a little bit of some hot sauce. Just dab it a little bit. Really good. Super good. And these are the vegan ones. Don't forget that you can add beef, chicken, whatever kind of protein that you want. So enjoy. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the video, and I'll just make it.